All eyes will be on the Supreme Court and the questions and reaction of Justice Anthony Kennedy, who's likely to be the key vote in this precedent-setting case. It pits Christian baker Jack Phillips against two gay men who walked into his Colorado bakery and requested a cake for their same-sex wedding. Phillips refused because he sees wedding cake designing as an art form that expresses something about the event and the couple. He said a cake celebrating same-sex marriage communicates a message that contradicts his deepest religious convictions, including his belief that God designed marriage to be between a man and a woman.
I just wanted to try and find a polite way to tell them that I couldn't create the cake that they were looking for.
The couple, Charlie Craig and David Mullins, filed a discrimination complaint with the Colorado Civil Rights Division. The commission and an appeals court agreed that Phillips had violated the state's anti-discrimination law. Their rulings forced Phillips to stop baking wedding cakes. As a result, he lost about 40% of his business and had to lay off 6 employees. Phillips' lawyer, Regent University graduate Kristen Wagoner, says tolerance is her client's best argument before the Supreme Court.
Regardless of what you believe about marriage, if you want to have freedom for yourself, you have to extend that freedom to others.
It's really just living together in a world where people have different beliefs. And Phillips is not out there trying to stop somebody else from getting married. He's not trying to block somebody else's bakery so they can't bake the cake. He's just saying, that's something I don't agree with, I can't participate.
Gay rights activists say people's religious beliefs do not exempt them from obeying the law. They argue anti-discrimination and public accommodation laws benefit everyone in society.
They offer as much protection to conservative religious customers as they do to LGBT customers, sometimes more. They mean that the gay atheist can't refuse to serve the conservative Christian any more than the conservative Christian can refuse to serve the same-sex couple.
Phillips says he's trusting God to have his way with the Supreme Court.
I'm an artist and I'm a Christian at the same time. And I hope that the court realizes that everybody has those lines that we draw.
This case will also have implications for wedding photographers and florists who have voiced similar concerns, and other creative people in a wide variety of fields. One argument advanced with this case is that government cannot dictate how artists choose to express themselves. The case has drawn a great deal of public and legal interest with nearly 100 amicus briefs, including the Trump administration, which has filed a brief supporting Phillips. Gary Lane, CBN News.